test drive the 2018 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.